right, start of day 2. Waiting on Chris to get here with Isuzu. The fellas are here. AJ's in a great mood. He's always happy. All right, day 1 demo is done. We're on to day number 2. And what we're going to do now is build ourselves a retention wall here to retain this mound that we're going to build to basically, ultimately, house our waterfall. AJ had an idea for like a split waterfall here. I think I'm totally open to that myself. So let's do it. Let's set some rocks. Starting our border wall. We got a couple stones in. Start. That's what I'm thinking. What are you thinking? So we'll get back to helping the fellas here. Wait on Chris to get here with Isuzu. All right, let me help you guys. The crew's taking a much-deserved lunch break. Tension wall is done. The next thing we're going to do, put our liner in. Going to rock the bottom down here, and then we'll start building our shelves up. I'm hoping to get this baby running today. What do you think, AJ? So, we are hoping to get some running water today, but I don't know if that's... We got this scheduled throughout tomorrow. We should be wrapping this up tomorrow, and it's going to look gorgeous and beautiful. Huh? Good stuff, eh? So we're just filling out, we're backfilling now with the first step. We got our rocks placed down here. I know you can't see them right now, but you will. We're just backfilling up here. Got Chris dumping in some dirt. Nick grabbing the dirt and dumping it for us off the ditch switch. We got all the plumbing done, spraying in. We're just gonna cut it to size when we're all done here. All right. All right, the missus has arrived, bringing us some much needed plants and wood. So we got this bad balloony we pulled out of the woods last week, and we're gonna figure out something gorgeous to do with this. Oh, that's pretty. Rolling right in. They roll pretty good. Where that's going. Already ended day one. Got our split falls in. We were rocking and rolling till about 2 o'clock till I left. And ultimately, it cost us quite a bit. So we kind of came to a grinding halt. But we'll see. Day number 2.5.
And a half. Yeah, we had a half a day the other day, remember?
Yeah. You want to call it 3?
Stupid. No, it was 2.5. We're not jumping the gun.
Okay. Stupid. All right, we ready, guys? Let's get it done. That break.
Nah, what it is pretty much a pre-workout.
Starting early this morning. Pre-workout. All right, day 2.5. We're ready to rock and roll today. Once Nick and AJ stop screwing off, which usually it's around 10, 11 o'clock when they stop screwing around. Look, AJ bought his swim trunks today. His MTV swim trunks. Good for you, man. That's OG. All right, and we need to get a lot done today. A lot. All right. All right, the fruits of our labor. One of the perks of the job. Let's go. Nick, what was that?
What?
You did like a... You had me nervous. How deep is that?
It's pretty deep.
All right. Good for you guys. Welcome to the pond world. Get used to it, man.
Probably like 10 feet.
Nice. One of the many perks of building ponds for people. They love to share. They love to share what they have. This gentleman here has a nice pool. He said, go ahead, man. Knock yourselves out. So, Nick and AJ did. Oh, man, I missed my big chance.
Husband Pop, happy late Father's Day.
Oh, happy late Father's Day. Wesley, love you, big boy. Want to come see the pond, the waterfalls?
Come to read your card.
Wesley, you drew the lighthouse?
Yeah, that's a pond.
That's a pond with the lighthouse and the fish and the boats
Yeah,
and the house?
yeah.
Wesley, that's so beautiful. Final day cleanup. We got the gang all here. It'll take about 2 hours as a team. Plant a couple more plants, do a little bit more cleaning up, tidying up, some gussying up here and there. Here's what we turned it into. Came out pretty good. We're hoping the best for these butterfly bushes. They're pretty hardy plants, but I think they're extra cups, but who knows?